All right, so guys, let's begin. Let's begin. This is our live trading session. For those of us who are new here, you guys are welcome to MJM AI community. This is where we use our AI to make money from the financial markets. So for those of us who are new here, this is MJMoptions.com. This is where the AI is. It's on the website. Make sure that you are registered here for you to get access to this AI. So I click start trading because I'm already connected. So let me see. I don't think there is even. So let's begin. Let's begin. So for those of us who are new here, I'm going to do the live session. This trading live session is broken down into multiple layers. The first is I'm going to do it in an introduction of the website to you. But while I'm doing the introduction of the website to you, we would be live taking a trade already. We're going to take a maximum of 5 signals on this live session, and we would at the same time, I'll be explaining the website to you and other things that you have questions on. So if you have questions, at some point when I'm done with the website, I would ask you guys to ask me questions. So that period, make sure you guys are asking questions. So I can clear out so many things or anything that is not clear. I can make sure I can make it uh, very, very understandable. So this is MJM AI community. This is the website. This is MJM AI, MJMoptions.com. This is where so if you are connected to the AI, you see 149 signals. The 12 of them are active. Success rate is 89%. Market scan is 54. AI accuracy is 95. This is the ALC scanner. This is where we scan for signal. This is where you see where we scan for signal. The moment you're unlocked, you see this as what? As this scanner is active. So you can see it move. So the moment I click start scanner, it generates me a signal. Now you can see the signal here. For those of us who are new, you can see the signal here. You can see the pair. You can see the 5-minute standard signal. You can see the 5-minute standard signal usually mean we are trading for 5 minutes, like this. We're trading for 5 minutes. That's what the 5-minute standard signal means. Now the next thing we have here is we can see the direction. Direction is call. Call means buy. Put means sell. And then you can see the AI confidence. AI confidence is usually almost be 90 to 99 before we can consider the signal. Then we have the signal strength also must be strong. We must also have that strong too. Now the next thing we have is the get ready time, which is 10:07, 27 seconds. This time means that it is when the AI scanned for signal and generated the signal for you. The entry time is the time for execution. So it is the time where you execute your signal. That is the entry time. Now the martingale levels are recovery levels for the entry time. So that's basically how it is on by using the AI. So what do we do first? The first thing we do, because we're going to be taking a signal right now, the first thing we will do is to click stop scan, start scan. Now, like I said, AI confidence has to be what? 90%. Signal strength has to be strong. So what do we do? This is 78. So we know we'll stop scan, start scan. Well, we have 95 here, and signal strength is what? Weak. So we can't go for this also. Start scan, 71, 72, 97. Okay, but signal strength moderate. So 979, 878, 93, but the signal strength is also what? Moderate. So we keep going. 90, moderate. We keep going. 79, no. 90 and weak, no. 73, no. 82, no. 81, no. 79, no. 87, 82, no. 70, 89, 94, and it is moderate, no. 80, moderate, no. 75, no. 80, no. 72, no. 75, no. 93 and moderate, no. 97 and moderate, no. 72, 96 and weak, no. 82, no. 93 and what? Strong. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for AI confidence of 1999 and signal strength of strong. So we have that here. Now what is the pair? The pair is AUDCHF. AUDCHF. We click AUDCHF and what is the next thing? The next thing under it is what? 5-minute standard signal. So you come here and you go to your expiration, which is 5 minutes. You click 5-minute standard signal. That means that we're going to be trading it for 5 minutes. The next thing we're looking for is the direction. Direction is call. So we have call means buy, put means what? Sell. So what time are we buying? We're buying at 10, 11, 22 seconds. So we're buying as what? 10, 11, 22 seconds. So we go to 10, 11, 22 seconds. So we have less than 10 seconds to go. 13, 14. And we're buying at 10, 11, 22 seconds. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we buy now. Now the signal is running because we've just taken it. We've just executed it at that what? Entry time, which is 10, 11, 22 seconds. So this I'm going to do. After this, I'm going to do the screenshot. And I'm going to have this here. I'm going to have this saved here so I can always reference you for later. This is just signal of the live session. So copy. Now, so now we're on the signal. Like I promised, I was going to be explaining the remaining parts of the AI to you guys, the remaining parts of the website to you guys. So the next thing we have here is the AI signal performance for the last 1 week. We have the top AI signals here. We have the latest AI signals. This is like a notification bar for signals. Then the next thing we have here is the trading signals. The trading signals here. This is the other side of the AIOTC scanner. This part of the AIOTC scanner is give me a second, guys. The next part of this is the trading signals. This part here is the other side of the AI. This is how do we take a signal here? It's very simple. We go to pending. We go to pending, and then we have 1 minute standard signal here. 1 minute standard signal here. You can see it because we have this time frame here on 1 minute, so you can see 1 minute standard signal here. Moment you click 2 minutes, you can see 2 minute standard signal here. Moment you click 5 minutes, you will see 5 minute standard signal here. So every single thing here matters in a way that when we are about to so next thing, how do we now take a signal from the trading signals? It's very, very simple. Let me go back to that. Okay, we still have this one. This one is still running, so we don't have any issues. This one is still running. So how do we take a signal here? Depending on the time frame we took, depending on the time frame we select. Well, if we select 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes, it would matter in the way we take the signal. So how does that happen? It is not complicated, very, very simple. Now, when we're on 5 minute standard signal, what are we looking for when we want to take a trade on the trading signals? It's very, very simple. The first thing we're looking for is the time and the AI confidence. Sorry, the AI confidence has to be what? 90 to 99. That is what you have to see. You have to see 90 to 99 always. So when you see 19 to 99, you know that okay, this is a sign for me to look at this signal, pay attention to this signal. So I click refresh and I'm looking for 90. Now this is 99, this is 99, 90 to 99. So 90, 90, 99, 99. Now, what am I looking for again? I'm looking for this time. This timer must be above 5 minutes because I'm trading what 5 minute standard signal. This timer must be what above what 5 minutes since I'm trading the 5 minute standard signal. So yeah, as long as it's above 5 minutes, then I can copy the signal, paste it, then execute it. Now look at this also. We have this also 91. See, time must be above 5 minutes. So I can copy that also, paste it, and get ready to take it. So that's basically how it is. If you have oh my gosh. Okay. I've almost forgot. Ready yourselves to take Martingale level 1, guys. Ready yourselves to take Martingale level 1. I nearly forgot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's me. So now I'm on Martingale level 1 on this signal right now. So now let's continue. So the next thing is if it is that's how you operate the 5 minutes on, right? And the moment you switch to 2 minutes, you have 2 minutes standard signal too. Same idea. You are looking for what AI confidence of what 90 to 99. And the timer has to be above 2 minutes. That's basically what it means. So the moment you see this is an example, you can just click copy and be ready to take this signal at any point in time. So that is it also. Now the next thing you do is go to 1 minute standard signal, same thing, same idea, but this time around you'll be looking for 90% and the countdown timer of over 1 minute, just like this AUDJPY. Then you click your copy and you go and execute. Wait for the time, 10, 17, 28, then you execute. That's basically how you use it. Very, very simple. Now the next thing we have is the auto trading. Auto trading is simple. Log in your account. The moment you are connected to the AI, log in your account on the auto trading part. As long as you have about $1,000 on your account, log in. Then connect the account and it will start trading for you. And the next thing we have is AI sentiment analysis. We talk about next thing we'll talk about is AI event scanner and the AI technical indicator. So I'll start from below and I'll work my way up. The first thing here is this is the AI technical indicator. This talks about the ability of the AI to study the charts and recognize patterns and use those patterns to give you an informed signal. The next thing we have here is the AI event scanner. This talks about the ability of the AI to study the news, the especially high impact news that would affect the strength and weakness of a particular currency and how that would eventually affect the direction a pair or an asset will go. So AI studies all that and uses all that to give you an informed signal. This one here is AI sentiment. AI sentiment talks about the ability of AI to study trader sentiment, whether traders are going up or they're going down, they're going bullish or they're going bearish. So that is the AI sentiment. Then the next part here is MJM TV. MJM TV talks about the premium contents that we always review. So you can see there are so much more. You can go to YouTube to complete the rest. You can only have access to 15 of them here. So there are so many. So make sure you guys go out and watch. Our webinars are also here. You can also go there to watch. We have 3 or 4 also already on the live session, already on the MJM TV. So you can go there to catch up. So the next thing we have here is the community. Community talks about the 2 communities that we have. The first one is the MJM AI community, and this is where you get to see how the AI works. You get to see how we use it. I explain how it works, and the moment you have access to it, you join the Market Warriors. Market Warriors is where we do everything on MJM AI community. Everything. Everything that the community has to offer is on Market Warriors. So the moment you are not on Market Warriors, you are missing out on a lot of things. So in Market Warriors, we get to trade live together. This is one of the few things we do there. One of the few things we do there, or one of the things we do on Market Warriors that I'm just bringing to you guys now, so we can also, those who are on the MJM AI community can also enjoy it for a while to the end of the month. So live trading is what we do. We do live trading together on the Markets Warriors. That's one of the first things we do, major things we do. The next thing we do is post our results. Next things we do is we host webinars. We host any competition we're going to, our trading competition, any kind of competition, it's on Markets Warriors. Any avenue, as long as you're going to be making money, everything is on the Markets Warriors. So for those of us who haven't joined in yet, you guys are missing out on a lot. So this is 45 seconds to go before the end of this signal. So let's see if we have sealed this one on the first martingale level. So let's see, 36 seconds. 36 seconds. 36 seconds. 20. Okay. So 12 seconds. Looks like we've saved this one. So 10, 9, 8, except anything drastic happens, which I lead out. So now we won this signal at the first martingale level. So you can see AUDCHF, we didn't get to win this, so we'll use this to recover. So that's basically how it is. Like I said, martingale levels are for recovery. And yeah, you can also use that to also make more money. So let's go to the second signal before I talk about the last part, which is the webinars. Let's go to the second signal. The second signal is we're going in 99, but it is moderate. We know 97 and it is strong. So what's pair? USDTRY. So we go USDTRY, USDTRY. We click. Make sure you are risking. You know what you're risking. The next thing we go for is to check how many minutes? 5 minutes standard signal. So we come here and we are trading. We know we are trading for 5 minutes. So that is that. Then the next thing we're doing is what? We're checking the direction. Direction is what? Put. Put is sell. So, and what time are we selling? I'm selling at 10:22:51 seconds. So that's about less than 20 seconds to go. That's less than 20 seconds to go. 10:22:51 seconds. So we're heading into 10 seconds. 42, 43. We are selling at what? 51. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So sell now, guys. I thought I did. So sell now, guys. So let's see how this goes in the next 5 minutes so you guys can see. So I can explain the other parts of the AI. So let me do a screenshot of this also so I can continue my webinar, the webinar explanation. So the webinars are like a small lesson, or it's just like a lecture. Let's call it a lecture where you guys learn how to improve your trading. Especially for those of us who are new, you need to always find a way to always be better at what you do. And that is why the webinar exists. Webinars exist for that purpose itself. So when you are a lot of us have had different stories, especially for those of us who are coming into trading and I've suffered, that, all those things are one of the things that I try as much as possible to cover on webinars. So you can make sure that you understand what you are going into and how you can be better at what you are doing right now. You have the AI. Yeah, that is the first step of your creating a structure. And everything after, those are the things you will learn on the webinars. Things that can make you be better. Those are the things you learn on the webinars. Like yesterday, we did common mistakes IK options traders make and how they can adjust them. Things like that. How to make 4 times your account. How to do 10 times your account. How to trade understanding time zones. All those things are the things you will learn. So all those webinars, they are posted on the YouTube page, so you can make sure you catch up on them too. Make sure you catch up on those ones too. So in the meantime, let me do a screenshot of the earlier signal I took. Let me do a screenshot of the earlier signal I took. So those are the webinars, and those webinars are always held on the Market Warriors. So make sure you are part of Market Warriors to see all those things. So I have this one saved here. I have this one saved here. I have this one saved here. Let's go again for this other one. This other one. So let's go here. So this would be about, I think, $456 profits. Yep. So that's one down. Now we have multiples to go. We have about 3 to go, or 3 to 5 to go. So does anyone have a question? I just finished explaining the whole website. Does anyone have a question? I see a lot of new faces. I'm going to call them out, from Mr. Thank God to Mr. Busola to Mr. Bismarck to Mr. Benjamin. You guys are new faces, and at the same time, let's just say new faces that have not started using the AI, because I can't call you new faces too, because I've seen you so many times on the live session. So do you guys have a question? One, two. So let's go into use our first martingale level now in 30 seconds. Let's go in for our first martingale level in 30 seconds. I think I've done a screenshot of this earlier, so I'll copy this for the second signal. Okay, so let's get ready. 13. Okay, so 10. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on the first martingale level. So guys, does anyone have a question for me? Anyone? So now, before you guys go ahead, I know some people are asking, how do I get access to AI? Which I would also go ahead and explain again. Now, how do you get access to the AI is simple. You follow 3 simple steps. One of the first one is registering on MJM options and sending me the email you registered with. Register on mjmoptions.com and send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. The second step is for you to register on IK options. Register on what? On IK options. And when you register on IK options using our link, you go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send that to me. That's the second step. The second step, remember, register on IK options using our link, go to your profile, copy your user ID, send it to me. That's the second step. Now, the third and final step is for you to fund your IK options account. The moment you have your IK options account funded, then you would get permanent access to the AI. Mr. Johnston Effect, you're welcome. So you get access to the AI permanently. That's basically how you use it. And that's basically how you get access to it. You'll be able to scan for signals like I am doing. You would also get access to doing every other thing here too. So that's basically how you get access to the AI. So does anyone have a question? Anyone? Does anyone have a question? Does anyone have a question? While we run this straight to the end, does anyone have a question?
Hello?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, Mr. Johnston.
Okay, GM everyone. I greet you. I'm just joining on. Sorry for the late coming. So I was trying to get something. this IQ option,
Yeah.
is it then when we fund our account, you see that you're going to get us connected to the AI, that we have the access to the AI, or that you are going to add us to VIP channel where we'll be getting the signal or what?
Okay. So we don't give signals here, right? And that's the first thing. We don't give signals. You would get access to the AI yourself. This is the website where the AI is, and you'll be able to scan for signals yourself. You get access to it and be able to scan for signals yourself. And that is how it is. The moment you get access to this AI, that is when you will join the market warriors.
Wow,
Do
wow,
you
that is
understand?
very
Yeah.
nice.
So
Yes, thank you very much.
you're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. So very, very simple step. The very first step is for you to register on mdmoptions.com. When you're registered on mdmoptions.com, you then send me the email you registered with. That's the first step. And the second step is for you to register using our link on Nike Options. Then you go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send that to me. Now the next and final thing you need to do is to what? Fund your own Nike Options account. And once you fund your Nike Options account, the AI will be permanently unlocked for you to use. So those are the steps, basically. So does anyone have a question? Anyone?
Good morning, Mr. Joseph. Please, is there any update for us on the auto trading? And two,
Update.
for account,
Yeah.
maybe you said you're going to subject it to testing or whatever, or something. The last time I joined, that's what I remember. And then you come to give us a briefing on the last update I have is that it's 500 USD is allowed or something like that. That's the last update. I don't know if there is any update on that.
Four. Okay. Give me a second. Three, two, one. So we're on the second martingale level. Okay. So now the testing is done already. So you guys can go ahead and use it. But I have not changed the. I have not done that part uh of the reduction of the starting amount. I've not done that. I've not done that.
Okay,
That's not that. I
okay.
have not addressed that yet. Which I will create time for that. But for now, it is still 1,000. And when I
All
touch it,
right.
when I've adjusted it to be able to, you should be able to use it.
All right, sir. Secondly, I was asking about account. So, are we able to create sub account under our main account, or if, for example, I want to get an account for the auto trading, I would need to create another account. Is it allowed to have multiple verified accounts?
Yes, you're allowed to have multiple verified accounts on Nike options as long as the emails are not the same.
Okay.
As long as you create a new email, you are fine.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I wanted
Any
to
other
say
question?
yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Uh,
Go ahead, Mr.
through this step on how to register, I found first step register on our official site. Then this
Yes,
first this site and the IQ option, is it different?
yes, they are different. They are different. This is mjmoptions.com. This is where the AI is. Do you
Okay.
understand? IK options is where you trade. Is your trading platform. You can't control that. You have to find when you get the signal. Where will you place the signal? Definitely on IK options. Exactly. So that's how it works. So there's a
Okay.
trading platform. There's a brokerage. There's a brokerage firm. There's a trading platform, and there is us. the AI website. That's it.
Okay,
So there are two different.
the MJM option is the AI where you get
Yeah,
the signal. Then the
yes.
IQ option
I
the
think
broker.
that's it. Where you execute. Yes, exactly. Where you execute.
Okay, I get now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Any other question, guys? Any other question? Still here taking questions. Any other question, guys?
Morning, sir. I have a question, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Steven. Longest time.
Hi, longest time. Sorry, sir. Honestly, where I am, the network is so bad. I can't able to join you guys and trade. Even when
Yeah,
during that competition I started, but I couldn't finish up because of my
finish.
network. Yeah,
Right.
honestly, I've been coming off and on, but hopefully by next month I will be back fully.
Back. Oh, okay. No problem, sir. No problem. We're waiting for you.
Um,
We're here.
yes, sir. So I have a question. Although I noticed a change in the AI website, the auto trading.
Mm,
That auto trading,
yes.
if you
Yes.
are place a trade, is it
Yes.
going to are you the one to give an amount for the AI to trade for you, and you just go? And
Yes.
again,
Yes.
will the AI know how to as in manage your risks, when to stop your drop
Yes.
during your daily drop down, all of that?
Yes. 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 It does that. So yeah, it is up to you. This is the way it works. This is the way it works, right? So the moment you are coming in, you are going to set up my own auto trading has finished for the day. It has ended. It traded 100 signals today, so I can't show you again how you can adjust the risk. If not, I would have shown you. Maybe tomorrow earlier on I will do a video. I think I've done a video of that before. And if it will be on MGM TV, if you guys can go and check it out, I will find a specific one and send that to you. So how it works is simple. You can have a specific amount you set aside for for it to trade for you. Be it one between $1 to $100, you can set it. So if you set one, it will be trading only one. It doesn't use martingale levels though. I'll put that feature. Let me go for the last martingale level. I'll put that feature on its data, but for now it doesn't have martingale levels. So you just treat your first entry, and it
First
uses the
entry.
same signal. Yeah, and it uses the same signal that it also if you scan for. These are the same signals. It scans for signals the same way, but the difference is that this one it executes a signal for you directly. Do you understand? Rather than you going to go and do it yourself, it executes this for you. Do you
Okay,
get it?
and
That's the
it wins trades.
you said?
The AI wins trades, a lot of trade, right?
No, it has a limit. You can put maybe your total trades for the day is what you used to do on a regular basis is 25 trades per day. Then you can put total of 25. It will trade 25 times and to stop. Nothing will get it to connect again until the next day. Do you understand?
Okay.
So it has a limit. Yes, you can set it. So now I've set a total of 100 trees and the thing has traded 100 and there's nothing I can do. It will never
And
come back on until
and also
tomorrow.
a specific amount, right? A specific
Yes,
amount.
specific.
Maybe, for
Yes,
example,
yeah,
I put $10, it will trade $10 for like maybe 25 trades.
exactly. Exactly.
Oh,
That is what it
oh.
does. Yes, yes.
And
That's big.
also my second question is regarding because I'm planning of opening another account using a
Yes.
different email, because the one I started using was Naira account. So I'm planning to open another account
Okay,
so
so
that
do
I
a
can
dollar
trade
account.
it with dollar. And
Okay,
also to
okay.
use the referral code. That referral code, the one I'm having, my question is that, for example, I recharge $1,500 using
Mm,
200%. Before I
mm.
could withdraw, how long will I trade? Must I trade for like 100%, or what is the amount I'm going to be given if I recharge
Okay,
$1,000 one And also, what is the specific amount to trade before I can able to withdraw with
Okay.
that bonus being given?
Okay. So I think okay. I get what you are trying to say now. Okay. So you said depending on the promo code you use, because if you are saying $1,500, that's 1 5.
Yes,
You will not be able to use MJM
yes.
AI 100. You'll not be able to use MGM AI 100. You'll not be able to use MGM AI 100. You'll be able to use MGM AI 200. Now, the moment you use MGM AI 200 on $1,500, that will give you about $3,000 plus 1 5. That is 4,500. Now, you can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw at any time. The only difference is that the moment you withdraw, you have to before you can withdraw, you have to cancel the promo. So when you cancel the promo, the other $3,000 that they gave you will go away, will disappear. That's the difference. So if you now withdraw, you cancel the promo is gone. You can't get it back again. It's only on your first deposit, and you've cancelled it. So that's all. Or you can wait it out and let it expire. Then when it expires, they take the promo away, and you have your balance to yourself. And you can also withdraw too. Yeah,
Okay,
exactly. So
when
those
it
are the two
expires,
ways.
I have the balance to myself. All the balance will go.
And the your own money, the money you deposited and the profit you have made will be left with you. Then the money the promo they gave you will disappear.
Okay, okay, I understand.
That's how it works.
Okay.
So does anyone have any question? Let's go for the third signal now. I think we're about to see this one. It took us a while, but we see it eventually. And this means that 4,182, if I do my calculation very well, that's about 600 minus 2 4. That's about 3 2. No, that's about 200. Uh, 72 and 72. Go to the third thing that I want to share is 84. No, 6 yes. So keep so we take you CH CH 100 how many 5. Next thing is what I'm going for means put means so this is for call means what time am I buying? 10:44 13 seconds. So we have about 20 seconds to go. And then 10:44 sorry 14 10 seconds, 10:44 13 seconds. So the guys to buy. We're buying in 10 seconds, then 44 13 seconds. 1 11 12 13. So buy now, guys. Buy now. Okay, so we have another 5 more minutes. Okay, does anyone have a question? Mr. Dominic, go ahead. Let's hear your questions.
Please, my question is there any reason why the least balance you must have in your IT options account is $1K before you are able to use the auto trading?
Is there any reason why it is like that?
Yeah.
Yes, there is a reason why it is like that. I would love if my colleague can explain that to you.
Okay.
Give me a second. Let me quickly do a small. I love if my colleague can explain that to you.
Okay, guys. Good morning. So the concept, I think that what we have done originally, the way we set up the entire. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me, guys?
Sure.
Okay, so in the way we set up the entire project, was to create a kind of services everybody has access to. So the initial plan was that people that have $10 or up to like $200 can only get signals, trading signals. Then for people that $200 and above, we have access to the gold, that's the scanner, and $500 and above, we have access to the bot, right? So, but as we moved on, we decided to switch that and allow everybody to have access to the scanner and also the trading signal. So everybody that comes in, no matter the amount you fund, you have access to everything that is meant to be for $500 users, right? So, but this one, we can't do that because of this whole setup. It has to be people with higher funds that do not have the time to trade. But anybody that is less than that, we just have to make do with the scanner and the trading signals. So the concept is that it's for people that probably have funds but don't have the time to trade. But we are still trying to use our capital. We'd have to just stick with the scanner, and it does the same thing. The difference between the robot and what we currently do is that the bot takes the trades for you, but then it's the same way the bot trades. It trades a lot, so if you don't have a good equity, you might not necessarily enjoy it. Okay, so for example, for those that have 1,000, we advise you use probably $1 or $2 per trade. Doesn't do martingale, just picks one trades at a go. Can set it to unlimited trades per day or 100 trades per day, depends. So as soon as it's trading over 45 pairs, so it just keeps trading till you hit your profit target for the day or not. So, and so far so good. It's still at least from the account I'm testing it with. It's doing over 10 to 20, 15% on a daily basis normally. So it is a good one. But then if you have the equity, you can be a part of it, but it's not for everybody. That's the whole idea around it. It's not for everybody.
All right. All right. I understand. Thank you.
Okay, so I hope you get it now. I think we're about to seal this one too on the first. Okay, but let's see. We still have more time. Let's see what it does. I won't be so shocked, but let me get ready to use the martingale level. So just in case it does some silly moves in the last few seconds. Okay, so it looks like we are going to seal this one. Okay, so we have it sealed. So now we've gotten this. So let me do a screenshot of the previous results. That's what we need to do first. Screenshot of the previous results. Then we're going to scan for the code, for the port signal on the live session. So one here, another one here. Another one here. We're going for the fourth signal in a bit, so stay active, guys. Another one here. Now this is the last one that we won. So another one here. The next thing we'll do is to save the signal also. So I have this unlocked too, which means this is the third signal. So now let's go to the fourth one. Let's go to the fourth one. So 73 no, 90 and moderate no, 96 and strong yes. So we are going in GBP CAD. We're searching GBP CAD, GBP CAD, which is also GBP card. I'll cover that too. The next thing we're doing is to check how many minutes. 5 minutes standard signal. So we are going into suit for 5 minutes. So I come here, I select my 5 minutes. The next thing is the direction. Direction is what call we are buying. We're buying call, and what is that time for the call? We're buying at what 10:52:04 seconds. We're buying 10:52:04 seconds. We have less than 10 seconds to go to buy. 10:52:04 seconds to get ready, guys. 58, 59, 61, and 2. So buy now. Now we're running on the fourth signal on this live session. And okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to post from the last thing. I have a lot of things to post. So I'm going to post this result here. 600. When is the second signal? The second signal. I'm going to post from the previous ones. Okay. Then we come here to the last one, which is this, and I copy and I paste. Okay, so I have it saved here. Now the third signal, which I just posted, third signal on the live session. So anyone with any questions, you guys can go ahead and ask. Anyone. Okay, so this is 516. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I saw marathon in the page. I couldn't join the webinar yesterday. I don't know what it's about.
The webinar yesterday, you could not join it.
Yeah.
Why was that?
Maybe he has not found issues.
Because it was open. It was open and everyone could join. I don't know why. It was just a
No, it's
regular
not about.
webinar.
I couldn't
Come again.
make time to be in.
Oh, okay, I understand.
So I'm saying that I saw a marathon thing. I don't know what's about. Is it a referral competition or there is something else?
Marathon. Please send it to me. Send that to me. Like forward it to me so I can see what you're talking about. Forward it to me so I can know what you're talking about.
Okay, maybe I, I see. But was the session recorded? So maybe we'll
Yes,
follow up.
yes, it was. You can follow. Yes, it was. It was recorded. Yes, it was. Okay, so we have 1 more minute to go on this one. Let's see what it does in 1 minute and 16 seconds. We've been here, I think, 55 minutes now. We started earlier today. We've been here for 55 minutes now. So started recording maybe, let's say, 15 minutes ago. So let's see what it does in the next 1 minute to see the outcome of this particular entry.
Oh, but I wanted to ask question. I don't know.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Talking about the bonus after depositing. Let me say I deposit 1 million. I use the 200 promo code, get 3 million or something, that kind of thing. So he said that they are going to cancel the bonus. Is there no way that I can complete the bonus and my money if I trade reach the specific time they give to me?
Okay, what the person was asking was that if he wants to withdraw within that period when the bonus is active, that's what the person was asking me. Not that they cancel the bonus. No, do you understand? The person was asking me if he wants to withdraw during that period when the bonus is active, can you withdraw? And I say yes, you can if you cancel the bonus. Do you understand? Not that
Okay.
they will cancel the bonus. So the moment all the both bonuses from MGM AI 100 and MGM AI 200 have time at which they run for. So the moment you use it today, you have 1 month for MGM AI 100. It will run for a month. Do you understand? Now for MGM AI 200, runs for 14 days. So if you achieve the turnover on the bonus, they will give you the bonus. You can withdraw it.
Okay.
They can withdraw the bonus.
Yeah,
But if you don't
I
achieve
can
the
withdraw.
turnover of the bonus, yes. But if you don't achieve the turnover of the bonus, that's when they will take it. Do you understand? If you don't achieve it within that time frame, so you have 1 month to achieve the turnover. If you don't achieve the turnover within that 1 month, they will take it for MGMAI 100. But for MGMAI 200, if you don't achieve the turnover of MGMAI 200 within that 14 days, they will take it. So that's the idea. So it is not they don't just take it without no. It is when you want to withdraw during that certain period, during that specific period. That is when you have to cancel. During that specific period when the bonus is active, that is when you have to cancel the bonus. Do you understand? That is basically how it works. So it doesn't get cancelled anyhow.
Okay.
It doesn't. So GBP card, I'm going to do a screenshot of GBP card. I'm going to do a screenshot of GBP card. This is our fourth signal. I'm going to deal with this later. So let's go for the final one then. 91. No, the signal strength is weak. 98, the signal strength is weak. 976, no. 76, no. 88, no. 99, weak, no. 90, moderate. 82, moderate. 76, no. 82, no. 99, weak. 73, 75, no. 81, no. 97, and strong. 97 and what? And strong. So what do we have here? The pair is what? AUDJPY. AUDJPY. So bam. We click AUDJPY. I'm starting with 600. Then how many minutes? Standard signal 5 minutes. So I come back here and I use 5 minutes. So what is that? What am I doing next? Next thing I'm checking is the direction. Direction is core, so I'm buying. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm buying. And what is my entry time? My entry time is 11 o'clock 52 seconds. So we have about 10 seconds. We're close to 10 seconds. So we have 10 seconds to go before we buy AUDJPY. So we are buying AUDJPY in less than 10 seconds. We're buying at 52. So 48, 49, 50, 51. So buy now, guys. So buy AUDJPY now. So I am going to do, I'm going to send in the last signal. Where is it? This is it. So GBP card. This was the fourth signal. Then the next one is this the profits we made on it earlier. This was GBP cards profits we made. Sorry, that was a mistake. I clicked airplane mode on my laptop by mistake. So I would let me do a screenshot of it. Let me do a screenshot of this. So I would post this right now, which is my fourth profit on this live session, my first signal on the profits on the live session. So let's go 516 also. So okay, someone asked me a question which I'm going to answer right now, and the question is, if I deposit and I use the bonus, what will be the turnover? I cannot be able to give you the turnover in my head, but if you multiply the 40 times, maybe 40 times, I don't know, I can't be sure, maybe 40 times 30, maybe that is the turnover. That will be the amount of the turnover, but I can't really be certain of the turnover amount. But the idea behind the turnover is your profit and your loss. Every single trade we take together, every single they calculate everything. If you are risking $20 or 20 or 2,000 per trade, right? They will add it together. All your risk, that's what they add together. So it's not necessarily profits. No, it is more like everything you trade together, profit and loss all together. That is what they will add as your turnover. You understand? So, but I don't know how much your turnover will be. I don't know. I can't be certain. I can't be certain what it will be. I can't be certain of what it will be. So this is the fifth signal. I guess I have it here. Okay. Let me do a screenshot of that too. Then profit on that one.
Please, can I ask your colleague a question?
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Kobe.
With your, I think your colleague was saying something that we will need the 1K, which is fine.
Yes.
The system, there's a system. Is it for entry purposes, or the system would always have to check what's your balance before it starts working for you? Because I know trades are not like holy grail something. Like if for
Yeah.
some reason you came in and then the balance dropped to 950 USD or something, the system will just withdraw from continuing trading, or as long as it's started, it doesn't matter if there are drawdowns, it will continue.
As long as it is connected, it is connected. That was what I was trying to test. Do you understand? That was what I was trying to sort out that other day because it used to disconnect. So I've sorted that part. Now it doesn't matter. All it does is just trade. So as long as it connects to your account one time, it is connected one time. If you want to disconnect it, it is also there. The settings is also there, so you can also disconnect it yourself. Do you understand? So the moment it's connected to your account one time, connected, even if you start with a drawdown first, you can so the next day to connect and start trading again and continue from the same place it stopped. So it never stops. It never stops because it is less than 1,000. No, it doesn't. The moment it's a one-time connection. One time. So we want this one also. This is the last signal for the live session. So we got good morning, boss. So does anyone have a question for me? Anyone? Anyone? You guys can type out the questions. You can unmute yourself and ask. It is the one-time connection. The moment you are connected. It doesn't stop. So that's basically how the auto trading works. So I have posted the signal. So the next thing I'm going to do is post the okay, so they said the turnover equity, which I've just checked now, is 60 times the amount that you have that you funded. So for someone asking if they give you 40,000, if you have 40,000 and you or use MJM AI 100, so you multiply that 40,000 by 60. That's turnover target that you have. So that's basically how it works. Okay, the person is not even anymore. Okay, the person is not in the live session right now. 60 times equity times the bonus. Okay. Okay, 60 times equity times the bonus amount. Okay. So that is 60 times the equity. That is if you 60 times 40, then that times the bonus amount, which is also 40. So okay. Now I get it. I get the idea. So it's a lot. 60 times your equity times the bonus amount. Yeah, I get it now. So that's how you know uh, the um the turnover amount. So if you can achieve that, then you will get to keep your bonus. Then you get to keep your bonus. So I'm $3,000 away from 400,000. I hit the target early. My target was to my goal was to end it at the end of this month, but it looks like I'm already very close to my 400,000 target. So and thanks to most of the time, thanks to this live sessions, I've in the last 1 week has been straight up. So today also made it 5 out of 5. So does anyone have a question? Does anyone have a question on this particular live session? Anyone? Let me send you a screenshot. Okay, I've not done that. Did I do that? Guys, go ahead and ask questions. ADJPY was the last signal. Go ahead and ask questions, guys. I'm here. So for those of us who are asking, how do I get access to the AI? Very, very simple. The first step is for you to register on mjmoptions.com. That's the first step. And when you register on mjmoptions.com, you send me the email you registered with. After you sent me the email you registered with, the second step is for you to register on Nike Options using our link. The moment you register on Nike Options using our link, you go to your profile, you copy your user ID, you send that to me. Second step. Now, the third and final step is for you to fund your IQ options account. The moment you fund your IQ options account, you will then get a permanent access to the AI. You can scan, you can use the trading signals, And if you have up to $1,000 on your trading account, you can also use the auto trading feature too. So that is how it is. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. 3 simple steps. First step, register on mjmoptions.com. Send me the email you registered with. That is one. Second step is for you to register on IP options using our link. You go to your profile, you copy your user ID, send that to me. The next step is for you to go to your IP options wallet, fund it, get your account money like you're about to trade, and that will guarantee you access to the AI. You get access to the AI permanently. So make sure that you message me to get started immediately. So you've seen how we just did 5 out of 5. Let me do this. Let me do this 5 out of 5 payment. I think this is the 7th day or 8th day. 5 out of 5, 2 times per day. So let's do this. Yeah, I think just took our first one around here. So this is 5 out of 5. So anyone who took place with me in the live session should also post it on the market warriors. 5 out of 5. Anyone. If you took a trade with me, make sure you post your results. So guys, does anyone have a question for me before I go? Mr. Tioluani, okay, the other Mr. FX had left. Who else again? Mr. Isaac. Does anyone have a question for me while I'm still here? Does anyone have a question for me while I'm still here? Anyone? Anyone? Do we have a question? Do we have a question? Before I close out this live session, do we have a question? I would love to hear your questions. Okay, so here is the next thing, right? This is our lineup for today, and the next live session will be by 12:30, and that will just be, it will not be a live trading session. It will be more like an introduction session, so you can come back. For those of us who still need to understand that AI works, you guys need to come back again. Make sure you're attending live session. Live sessions are important. You're connected to the AI, you're not connected to the AI, attend live session. It is extremely important. There are so many things that come up. Exactly, people ask questions today that they never really knew about, and the questions have been answered. So join in. 12:30 is the next one. 3 o'clock is the one after. That is also not a live trading session too. But 5:30 is the next live trading session where we'll be trading again, doing 5 out of 5 like we used to do. So make sure you join down one also. That is the lineup. 8, 10, 12:30, 3, and 5:30. 5:15, sorry. So that is the line. Make sure you're listening to your questions and make sure you are always part of this live session. It is important you are part of it because it is a sign that you are actually part of the community. So make sure you are doing that. And make sure you also have access to the AI, because what is the point if you don't get access to the AI yourself, so you can also make money like we are doing? So we'll do that also. So thank you guys for joining in this live session. For those of us who want to ask me questions, you can still ask now while I'm still here, or you throw those questions to me on my DM. Make sure you guys are doing that so that we can get you started and you can get to make money like we are doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live session. If you enjoyed it, leave a like or leave a reaction on the on my previous on my most recent post. Just leave a reaction there. So I will see you guys later. 12:30 it is. I'll see you guys by then. So have a nice day, and for those of us who are not connected, send me a message now so I can get you started. And those who are on the market warriors, to make sure you post your results if you traded with me. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys later.